Are you planning to construct or repair your industrial roofing? Introducing our industrial roofing shed work, designed specifically for the unique challenges of industrial sheds. Imagine a durable, watertight roof that combats leaks and extends the lifespan of your structure, all while keeping maintenance costs at bay. Our services include advanced materials and expert installation, ensuring your roof is not only robust but also energy efficient. We offer quick, efficient service that minimizes downtime and addresses your needs without hassle. Our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to providing tailored solutions that elevate your facility's performance while protecting your assets. With our comprehensive roofing services, you can rest easy knowing that your facility is safeguarded against the elements. Whether it's new installations or repairs, we've got you covered every step of the way. Contact us now to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.